Imagine this: no weeks of filming, no expensive gear, no huge team. Yet you're still earning thousands of dollars per month, sometimes even more than regular influencers make. All of this from just one single image. Sounds impossible? But it's happening right now. Just look at AI creators like Aitana Lopez, who pulls in over $10,000 every single month, or Michaela, collaborating with huge brands like BMW. There's Naya, an AI girl who went completely viral on TikTok, and Mia Zelu, who fooled the entire internet by pretending to be at Wimbledon. These creators aren't just lucky, they're proof that AI influencers are changing the rules of online content creation. And the best part? You don't need connections, a studio, or a massive following to start. Everything is built from one image, one idea, and the right AI tools. You can create content that looks real, moves like a human, and gets attention without ever stepping in front of a camera. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. But make sure you stay until the end, because I have a surprise that could completely change the way you create AI content. And trust me, you won't want to miss it. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI content, tips, and tricks that can help you turn your ideas into income faster than ever before. All right, let's get started. The very first thing we need is a strong base image. This is the foundation for everything. Your AI influencer will literally be built on this, so it has to be extremely realistic. To do this, we're going to use Higgsfield AI. For those who don't know, Higgsfield AI is a platform that brings lots of different AI tools together in one place, making it super convenient to create, edit, and manage AI-generated content. That's exactly why it's perfect for building AI influencers. You can generate images, create motions, and even make videos all without leaving the platform. But let me show you exactly how it works. First, head to the AI Influencer Studio in the top menu. Then we switch the view to the prompt page, where we can paste the prompt I previously created with ChatGPT. If you want to know exactly what to keep in mind and how to get the most realistic results, check out the video in the description. I explain everything in detail there. Once we've entered the prompt, we click Generate, and after a short moment, we already have a perfect base image. Here's a hot tip from my experience analyzing the most successful AI influencers. What often makes them go viral isn't just the motion or the video quality. It's a special feature that catches people's attention instantly. Maybe it's an unusual eye color, a unique hairstyle, or even a different skin condition. When we switch to the builder, you can see all these options. Maybe we try a striking purple or red eye color, or when we scroll down even more, adjust the skin condition to something more unusual. I have personally seen lots of viral AI influencers with the skin condition vitiligo. These small tweaks make your AI influencer stand out in the feed, and viewers are more likely to stop scrolling, watch your video, and even comment. Think about it. When someone is fascinated, they don't just watch. They explore your profile, check your other posts and reels, and engage with your content. That's exactly what makes something go viral. From my experience, incorporating one or two distinctive features can increase views by at least 5 times. And I've seen multiple videos blow up simply because the influencer had a subtle but eye-catching trait. This is the kind of powerful trick that separates a good AI video from a viral one. You're not just creating content, you're creating something that grabs attention, sparks curiosity, and encourages people to interact. And the best part? It doesn't require weeks of filming, expensive equipment, or a huge team. Just a little creativity, the right base image, and some smart AI tweaks. So let's move on. Next, we click on the green video camera icon, and we're taken to the next page. Here, you can see our just generated image on the right. This is our reference image. On the left, we can now add a motion, which will be applied to our AI influencer. You actually have 2 options here. The first is to pick a motion from the library, where you'll usually find the latest trends and a pretty big selection. Let's try one of these motions. We just click on it, and you'll see it appear in the left preview frame. Below that, you can adjust the video quality and also choose where the background should come from, whether it's taken from the original photo or from the motion video. Once that's set, all you have to do is click Generate, and after a short wait, your first AI video is ready. As you can see, the movements are smooth and realistic. You can hardly tell that it was created with AI. This is what makes AI influencers so powerful. They look professional and natural without any expensive filming or actors. The second option is to upload a video from sources like TikTok. To do this, just go to TikTok and search for something like influencer TikTok dance and pick a video you like. But make sure there's only one person in the video and that the movements aren't too hectic. Too much action can lead to poor results when transferring the motion to your AI influencer. Once you've found a suitable video, go to a TikTok downloader and download it. You can then upload this video link into the left frame, and your AI influencer will copy the movements. Maybe you noticed. I ran into a small issue at the beginning. The phone was visible in her hand at first, but suddenly disappeared later in the video. To avoid this, make sure no objects are in your influencer's hands or other tricky positions that could confuse the AI in your base image. If something like this happens, you can always go back to Nano Banana Pro and use a simple prompt to fix it. For example, telling the AI to remove the phone from the hand. This keeps the movement clean and the final video looking professional. You can also record your own video if you want. Your influencer can mimic your movements exactly, giving you full control over the style and performance. One very important thing to keep in mind with any motion option: if the motion video was recorded from a different perspective than your influencer photo, the AI might try to fill in missing body parts. Sometimes this works fine, but other times it can look unrealistic, with proportions or clothing being off. To avoid this, you should always make sure your influencer matches the perspective of the motion video. For example, if you have a close-up shot, take your base image and upload it exactly like a screenshot of the start frame of your motion video into Nano Banana Pro, and use this prompt. Change the shot type of the woman in the first image to match the framing and visible body parts of the second image. Make her wear a short black skirt, keep the background from the first image. Using this method, you'll solve the perspective problem and keep your AI influencer looking realistic and consistent. If you want to go even further, you can explore the advanced settings. Here, you'll find a prompt field where you can make additional adjustments to the environment, lighting, or other details. There's also the orientation setting. When character orientation matches the video, complex motions perform better. When it matches the image, camera movements are better supported. For most cases, especially when using TikTok dances or similar motions, I definitely recommend keeping it set to video orientation. This ensures your AI influencer moves naturally and follows the choreography correctly, while still looking realistic and polished. Now, before I end this video, I have a little surprise for you. My free ebook that's called The 5 Biggest AI Influencer Mistakes. It breaks down the most important errors beginners make when generating AI influencers, especially when it comes to identity consistency, realism, positioning, and brand perception. If you're serious about building an AI influencer that actually looks professional and generates money, you should download it before you create your next post. Just click the link in the description. It's completely free. And just like that, your first AI influencer video is ready. All that's left now is to post it. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, whatever platform you prefer. The key is to post consistently, keep experimenting with motions, and refine your AI influencer over time. Each new video is a chance to grow your audience, get noticed, and even start generating income. This is your moment, the opportunity to create something entirely new, something that could change the way you approach content creation forever. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because the tools are here, the possibilities are endless, and the audience is ready. I'd love to see what you create, so drop your results, videos, or screenshots in the comments below. I'm excited to see how you bring your AI influencers to life. Remember, this is just the beginning, and the real potential is only limited by your imagination. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI content, tips, and tutorials that can help you take your creations to the next level. See you in the next video.